First things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back. So a quick one on how to use cold water on your front load washing machine. Though we don't advise cold water. These machines are meant to wash using hot water. So you see here, this is the temperature option. We have 20, 40, 60, and 95 degrees. So let's say you had selected cotton, which is 95 degrees. You can come here, adjust to whatever you want, like 20, 40, 60, or you put it on 0. Provided there is no light here, it means it will wash using cold water. So 20, 40, 60, 95. Just press until the light goes off here. So it will wash on cold water. Let's say you wanted to do synthetics, giving you 40, you can adjust to whatever you want, or you put it on 0, like that. Simple. So somebody asked about a quick wash. A quick wash should give you 0. So you see on quick wash, doesn't need heating element. It takes time to heat the heating element. So on a quick 15, you don't need hot water. So like on this one, it gives us 0. But other machines, a quick 15 or a quick wash has a 20 degrees or 30. So what you just do, you can adjust here. So this one, like a quick 15 here says 0, but you can still put it to 20 if you want, but it can't go past 20. Once you do that, you press the start button.